He's gonna get some teeth.
Say ah.
Okay.
He likes it. My turn.
No, let me try it.
I did it.
Oh, just leave it because he's gonna make a big mess. This more will end up all over him than in him, but.
Can I do Mommy? Can I sit on your lap?
I don't think there's room, honey.
Can I do it?
Just a minute. You can try one. Hold on. Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, you do it. You gotta be really careful. Okay, that's good. Think he likes it?
Yeah, I'm the green.
I think we're gonna feed it to you next.
No!
I don't think it's very good.
Can I do it by myself?
No, honey.
Myself.
Maybe next time, okay? Did he just shudder? Like, what is that? Should I get a bottle out for you, huh, bud? Swallow it. Swallow it. He's just sitting in the bottom. Swallow it. I know it's yucky. It's yucky stuff, isn't it? Is it yucky stuff?
What are you singing?
Hey, on shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Knees and toes.